Welcome to Hover Tactics Week 6 updates. 6 more weeks to go, halfway done. Hover Tactics is a Unity URP game, basically hover mech combat simulation with some strategic elements in it, and it is being developed in association with HomeTeam GameDev community. The link to join them is in the description below. Here are the additions and changes for this week. Flippit.tori added rotation to pick up objects. Now the pick objects rotate, which looks really neat. Will McKay added building 5, which I'm calling Oblivion model. And then there's the rough draft of active music that we will actually listen in the gameplay video. And I added runes for Oblivion building, improved pickup look and animation, added pickup particles, added enemy mine, and added Calamity's HP regeneration feature. So it's playtime and let's check out the game. So here's the game. Now I'm gonna play it and you will listen to the music and also hear sound effects and stuff. So I will not talk much except for, yeah. So let's just... This is contributed by Will McKay and he did a great job. And it's a rough draft. It's supposed to get more improvements. So now let me just show it to you, the pickups. Now they are shining in the middle and really feels like that. I think it's better. And now they are not only rotating but also floating up and down. It's a feature that Flippe wants to implement and I just did it. So yeah, that's how it is. And now if I pick, for instance, let's just shoot, and now I pick the power pickup. There's these particles, see? A little bit of particles that makes it look good, I think. And there I picked the shield and all of the shield is recovered. And there's the Oblivion building. It's really cool. It's probably the coolest building in the whole game, and that's great. So now if I shoot it, there it gets destroyed, and there's a rune, and that is cool and all. But now let me just show the Calamity and the enemy mines, right? These are the mines, pretty simple. And it also, the Calamity has a regeneration feature, the health regeneration. So if I get destroyed, there the health is slowly increasing, as you can see, and that makes the Calamity really good mech to use. And yeah, it's a crazy powerful mech. And there you go. And HP simply regenerates to full slowly. And I think that is all. For the next week, we have pretty much the same stuff: buildings, rails, pylon, generator. We actually got a generator kind of building, right? And then there's the enemy hover mech, multiple attacking mechanics, enemy buildings that shoot fire. Basically, for the enemy buildings, what I'm thinking is more of components. That buildings can have components: the attack component, the defense component, and different kind of components that you can attach and remove, and they can also act independently, which seems cool, but it also seems maybe it's hard, but we will see about that. And there's the magnetic building mechanic. That's a weakness for Wyvern mech. And gated missile launchers still not done. But yeah, actually I'm participating in a game jam, that's why I'm busy and it's still going on, but that's how it is. Thank you for your contributions and for watching the updates. I hope you guys are doing great. Goodbye.